guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the most common questions that I've been getting a lot, like before my Redbubble account suspension, how much I make in my Redbubble shop. So I'm going to be talking about my sales. It was like only a few months only, so I'm going to be talking about my sales in the Redbubble account before the account suspension. So stick with me guys till the end of this video because you're gonna see the insides of my Redbubble shop. Now I don't have any insights, but I'm gonna be really honest with you guys about how much I actually made before my Redbubble account suspension and how many designs was live at that time and all those things. So let's get started with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources, the link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download all the freebies we have, make sure to check it out each month. And also it contains a full commercial license, so you can use it for your print on demand and for your KDP projects. Now let's talk about how much I actually make in my Redbubble shop before the account suspension, because I have made a video where I talk about my first sale, getting my first sale under the Redbubble. I'm going to leave them in the card section above if you haven't checked it out so far. But I could remember that I made my first sale back in the June and July of 2020, and my Redbubble account was suspended, I guess it was in the November. So I have also made a video, I have made a bunch of videos regarding my Redbubble account suspension because it was completely new to me and it was happened all at a sudden, and I wasn't really prepared for that, and I wasn't really expecting that because I was seeing the quite good sales in my Redbubble shop, and also was really expecting to make some serious amount of money regarding that in a few months. But unfortunately it got bad and all those things happened. So if you want to know about my story of Redbubble account suspension, you can check in the card section above. So from I would say from July till November, so how many months is there? August, September, October, November. So that means only 4 to 5 months was there. So only 4 to 5 months I was there from my first sale till my Redbubble account suspension. Before getting the first sale, obviously I wasn't having any sales on my Redbubble account, so that's quite obvious. But from June to July till November, like 4 to 5 months I've been there, or after getting my first sale till my Redbubble account suspension. Now let me talk about how many designs were actually live on the Redbubble. Like I could remember, now guys, these are not the exact numbers because I don't really exactly remember how many designs were I uploaded and what was the stat. I really don't remember all those numbers. And I also don't have any screenshots, and also I don't have any proofs and all, because I thought that I would be taking those screenshots in the future of when I'm getting actually serious sales and all, but it never happened. So I never take the screenshot, so I don't have any screenshot guys. So I will going to give you, I can't give you the exact number, but I'm going to give you an average number of how many designs was there. So it was almost like 1,000 designs that was there back in the November, because once I got my first sale back in June and July, then I started uploading more designs on my Redbubble shop and started doing the keyword research, the niche research, and doing all the kind of things. And I was having like only 1,000 designs was there till the November of 2020, and then the Redbubble account suspension happened. So when the Redbubble account suspension, I was uploading 5 designs. I could remember I was doing it in the evening, at the night time. I was uploading the 5 designs, and then when I finished uploading it, I got an email stating from the Redbubble that my Redbubble account has been suspended and I need to contact the help center to. So guys, if I could remember the sales and the money that I made, because I don't really remember the exact number because I wasn't having any screenshot. I wasn't expecting to get my account banned. I was about to take the screenshot, but unfortunately I wasn't able to, and my Redbubble account suspended, so I can no longer go into my Redbubble account and actually see the sales and get the screenshot for you guys to show you the analytics of my Redbubble account, how much sales I got and how much visitors I got, how many designs are there. I can't show you my shops and all, but I made from the Redbubble in 4 to 5 months, from my first sale to my Redbubble account suspension, like $150 to $200 I made in total. It was not just in 1 month, it was in total, because I hit my first sale back in June and July, and in 4 or 5 months I made this much money only. I have like 1,000 of design. I was expecting to upload more designs and to get them more sales, and I was kind of like promoting my Redbubble shop in the Pinterest account. That was a secret Pinterest account because I wasn't showing my Redbubble shop, because I saw somewhere and some artists were saying that if they are promoting their Redbubble shop, or if they are talking about the Redbubble shop in the YouTube videos getting more sales, then the people are stealing their artwork, and that route was there. So to avoid getting my art stolen, I was doing that route of secretly promoting my Redbubble shop into my Pinterest account, and which is kind of like a secret Pinterest account which I only use for the Redbubble promotion and marketing and all. So I got $150 to $200 money in all those 3 months in total. Okay guys, now the sales, I don't remember the sales, I only remember the money, because the sales is like, you from the sticker you get less money, and if you're selling the t-shirt it's different, and so on and so forth. You guys already know that. So I don't actually remember the number of sales, but I actually remember the money because I was about to get my payout in the November, and then suddenly the Redbubble account suspended. So my money is there only in the Redbubble, and my money is there with the Redbubble, and they do what they want to do. I no longer can actually go back to my account and see the number of sales and get my payout. That's quite unfortunate, but I made $150 to $200 till the November, till my account suspension, and I wasn't able to take the payout. So that was a little bit of a sad story. I was like, oh, I can't make my payout from that. It's Redbubble account has been suspended, and I tried to get the back and forth and all those things, but I wasn't able to get it back. That was quite unfortunate, and that was really a learning curve for me. From that, I really learned the multi-platform strategy. I also learned to have your own shop, to have your own print-on-demand shop on site to actually make serious amount of money, over which you have 100% control, because on the third-party platform, you don't have that much of control. Even if you try to get your Redbubble account back, you may get it, or you may won't be get it back. So who knows? So that much sales I make, that much money I make from my Redbubble account before it getting suspended, because I got this comment in one of my videos, and then I thought that instead of just answering that comment, it's better for me to make a video talking with you guys about how much I actually made till my Redbubble account suspension, so you guys very well know about it. And also, if any of you have that kind of question, I'm gonna just place the link of this video for them guys to actually watch this video, because I'm talking in the detail how many designs I was having, how many months I was on the Redbubble. I made it was $150 to $200 in those 4 to 5 months. That was the complete money. That was the total money, or you can say my lifetime earning onto the Redbubble before my Redbubble account suspension. And currently I'm no longer selling onto the Redbubble. No longer there on the Redbubble, guys. So no money with the Redbubble. That's it. But guys, that was a really learning curve for me, and I really learned that it's possible to make money from the print-on-demand, but you really need to be full control of your print-on-demand shop. And that could only happen if you have your print-on-demand shop on your own website and you're connecting with the Printful, Printify and Guten, then only you have the full control. But even if you don't want to go that route, you can probably use the multi-platform strategy, have your print-on-demand shop active on 4 to 5 website. So if whatever happens to 1 or 2 shop, you are still there and active and making money from your other print-on-demand websites. That's what I did. I started with the Teepublic, then the Jazzle, then I recently started with the Display, the Society 6, and the Spreadshirt, and I also started with the Threadless account like 15 days back only. I started with the Threadless account. Now on the Threadless, I only have few designs and I don't know what actually sells on the Threadless. I'm new to the Threadless, so I'm still researching on the platform, but I'm still following this multi-platform strategy and all. So I hope that this video really helps you guys and really let you know about your questions, answer about how much I made before my Redbubble account suspension. In the comment section below if you have any more questions regarding my Redbubble account suspension, all those, how much I made and all that, I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.